welcome back to the sessions with Dr. SIDHU, who is a researcher, certified and licensed AP chemistry teacher. Today we are going to continue with our topic, measurements and calculations with Dr. SIDHU. Dr. SIDHU, how are you today?
Hello, Komal. It's so nice to see you again. I'm very much fine. Thank you.
So, Dr. SIDHU, let's continue with our topic of measurements and calculations. So, what is dimensional analysis?
Yes, so today's topic is dimensional analysis. And this topic is really very important in chemistry because in chemistry, we are dealing with many problems to solve the equations. So there is a mathematical part for that chemistry to solve the problems. To solve those problems, we will use dimensional analysis throughout this chemistry. So whatever topic we are doing, whether it is chemical kinetics or thermodynamics or redox reactions or equilibrium or electrochemistry, we have to use dimensional analysis. So what is dimensional analysis? Dimensional analysis means to convert from one unit to another unit by using an appropriate conversion factor, which is based upon an equivalence statement. So that is the dimensional analysis.
Okay, so how dimensional analysis is used to solve various problems?
So we have to use this dimensional analysis. For that, we need main two things. First is we need to know about the conversion factor. And second thing is what we mean by the equivalence statement. So what is a conversion factor? So let me describe that for you. So are you able to see this definition for conversion factor? So the conversion factor is a ratio of the two. This is the ratio of the two parts of the statement that relates the two units. So this is the statement which relates the two units that is known as the conversion factor. Like for example, we have to convert 2.85 centimeters into inches. For that, we need to know the relation between inch and centimeter. So what is the relation between inch and centimeter? That is 2.54 centimeter is equal to 1 inch. So this relationship is called the equivalence statement. So as you can see here, I have written down that 2.85 centimeters, we need to convert that into inches. So what is the equivalent statement here? That is 2.54 centimeter is equal to 1 inch. So from there, we can make two conversion factors. Either it will be 2.54 centimeters divided by 1 inch, or it can be 1 inch divided by 2.54 centimeter. So to convert centimeters into inches, now we have to figure out which conversion factor will we use. So we will use 2.85 centimeter multiplied by 1 inch divided by 2.54 centimeters, and we get 1.12 inch. So you see how beautifully we are able to convert from one unit to another unit.
And these are indeed very important and very technical as well.
These are very technical, yes. And for this, I'm going to give 5 steps. So there are 5 major steps which we must follow to convert from one unit to another unit. So let's discuss about these steps here. So these are the major steps which we can use. I think this is clear here. Look at this part like this. So the first step is to convert from one unit to another unit. Always use the appropriate equivalence statement. Second step is choose the appropriate conversion factor by looking at the different units which are required to change from one unit to the another unit. Third is multiply the conversion factor by the quantity which we need to convert to the quantity which is desired. So that is the third step. Fourth step is check that you have the correct number of significant figures. And the last step is ask whether your answer is making sense. So when we follow these steps, keep this thing in mind that what is the direction of change, where we are and where we need to go, what is being asked and what is being given. So that is the best way to solve any problem.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sidhu, for sharing this valuable information. As even though you can say they are very small things, but they are very technical as well.
These are really very important, though they are very basic. But once the students are able to understand these basic concepts of dimensional analysis, then it is super easy to solve all the mathematical like part of those chemical equations. So the calculations. So yes, I will definitely say that the students really need to focus a lot more on this concept of dimensional analysis to solve problems.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sidhu. I hope we all got benefit from our today's sessions. We will in future continue to hold these sessions for you as well. Please like and subscribe Dr. Sidhu's Academy on YouTube. This is Kumar from Outward Media signing off.